Let's be real, we all want our AI assistants to be smarter, right? Faster, more helpful. But what if the biggest leap forward isn't just about making the AI's brain bigger, but about giving it a better key? Today, we're going to unlock a concept that could totally change how AI interacts with our own personal world.
Okay, let's kick things off with a frustration that I am sure you've felt. You've got this incredible AI, It can explain quantum physics or whip up a poem in seconds, but the moment you ask it, hey, can you summarize that report I saved yesterday? Crickets, nothing. It's like having a genius who's completely locked out of your own office. So what is going on here?
And this right here gets to the absolute heart of the problem. Your AI has this encyclopedic knowledge of the public internet, of history, of pretty much everything, but it knows almost nothing about your world, your projects, your team's chats, your code, your data. We call this the context gap. And honestly, it's the single biggest wall standing between us and a truly personal AI assistant. So how do we tear down that wall? How do we bridge that gap? Well, what if there was a kind of universal connector? A single standard key that could securely unlock the door between that AI's giant brain and your personal universe of information. Well, that key actually has a name. It's the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. Now, the official definition says it's an open standard that lets AI assistants securely connect to external data sources and tools. But really, just think of it like a universal translator that lets any AI talk to any app or database that knows the language.
Let's just cut through all the tech speak for a second. What this really boils down to is simple, and it's the most important thing to remember. MCP is a universal key for your AI. That's it. One key that fits countless different locks, opening all these doors that, up until now, have been completely sealed shut.
All right, so our AI has the key. What happens when it actually unlocks the door? Let's take a look at what happens in the real world when you can finally connect your AI to, well, your world. And this is where it gets really cool. All of a sudden, your AI can plug right into the places where you actually live and work. I mean, look at this. You can tap into your Google Drive to find that report. It can catch up on project updates from your team's Slack. It can check code in GitHub or even query your company's private databases. It literally transforms from just some generic tool into your tool. This little before and after here makes the difference just crystal clear. On the left, that's AI without MCP. Yeah, it's powerful, but it's stuck with only general public knowledge. But on the right, that's AI with MCP. It still has all that global knowledge, but now it's layered with a deep, secure understanding of your stuff. The quality and relevance of the help you get just goes through the roof. So this universal key is obviously a huge deal, but what makes it a true game changer? See, it's not just about making a connection, it's about connecting the right way. There are basically three big wins here that make this whole protocol both incredibly powerful and trustworthy.
It all comes down to these three pillars. First, and this one is massive, is standardization. A developer can build a connector just one time, and it'll work with any AI that speaks the MCP language. No more building endless, one-off integrations. Second, security. And this is crucial. This isn't a data free-for-all. You are in total control. Every connection needs proper authentication, so your data stays your data. And third, flexibility. You can link your Google Drive, your Slack, and an internal database all at the same time, letting the AI pull info from all those places to give you one complete answer.
I really want to double-click on that first point, standardization, because it's the thing that unlocks everything else. The source material says it perfectly. The key benefit is standardization. Developers build one MCP server that works with any MCP-compatible AI. This build once, connect to many idea, that's what's going to allow this whole ecosystem to just explode. It makes it super easy for every app and service to get on board. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. We've got the standard, we've got the security, we have the connections. So what does this all add up to? What does this really mean for your future with AI?
So here's the bottom line. In practice, a protocol like MCP means your AI can finally search, read, and actually use your personal context to make its responses unbelievably more helpful. It stops being a clever search engine and starts being a genuine assistant that actually gets your work, your projects, and what you need.
And that brings us to the big question, doesn't it? For years, the whole idea of a truly personal AI has felt like something out of science fiction. But now, with a universal standard that can safely and securely unlock the doors to our personal and professional data, is that future finally here? That's the thought I'll leave you with.